So hi guys, in this video we will going to learn that how to create a directory and remove that directory using Python. Okay. So first of all we need to import OS module in the Python. Okay. So by using this OS module we will going to create create a directory. Okay. So we are going to create a directory in the current one. So okay. So in this for this we will use os.make directory command. Okay. So inside this you need to mention here directory name. Okay, so this is what we are mentioning. Okay, and now just run the command. Okay, so we have successfully created a fantastic folder. Okay, so let me show you again. This is the fantastic folder that has been created by the guys. Now we will going to remove this directory. Okay, so for removing this directory, let me comment it out first. Okay, so for removing this directory, remove directory. Okay, os.rm dir. Okay, so for this we need to mention os.rm dir. Okay, and now just type the name of the directory. Okay, so it will gonna delete. Okay, okay, there is something I have been mistaken. Okay, now let's rerun again it. So you can see that we have successfully deleted the fantastic directory from our current one. Okay, so in this we can delete the directory. So now guys, if you want to check the current directory, okay, so for that we will again use another command, check current directory name. Okay, so for that just use os.cwd. Okay, get cwd, and this will show us our current directory. Let me run again. So for this we need to use the print function here. Okay, now rerun again it. So you can see that it has been shown us the current directory. So we are currently in this directory. So using this command we can find the current directory.